Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. You can see it's up to temperature, just above 1. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. It's a little hard to do with one hand. I have the tablet in the other, but I got it. See, we get a nice shot of espresso with really good crema. We'll test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.